Dr. Agnihotri, thank you very much. Uh, my respected Madam, the Gauri Kumar, the Secretary Coordination, the Central Cabinet, GOI, Dr. Agnihotri, Pradeep Chaturvedi, Marcus Tenber, Dolph Galen, K.S. Popley, Mr. Ian Saxena, other August, Mr. Anil Garg, August gathering on the dais, and August gathering in the hall, young people, scientists, media people who have come all along the way from all part of the country and all part of the world. Thank you very much. My experience was that it's very, very fruitful and very rich in science, scientific collaborations, scientific enrichment. It's a very enriched conference on the energy and environment, and especially the renewable energy. And as Dr. Agnihotri very correctly told, that skill development is very important aspect in this sector, because as our target is to achieve 175 gigawatt in very limited time, and he has already spoken that for this we require a strong political will, and I'm sure that at this scenario, in the dynamic leadership of our Prime Minister, Honorable Narendra Modi ji, we have this strong political will supported by a smart team of the workers, scientists, and the administrative staff. So I hope now the role comes now, the will is there, target is there, team is there, leader is there. Now the things is that we have to make the form a proper goal, and as Mr. Pradeep Chaturvedi has correctly spoken, what are the recommendations are being given from the abstract of this conference and being recommended to the Government of India for incorporate in their renewable energy policy. I'm sure by introducing these recommendations, it will be much more better way to achieve our target. As you already know, our target is very high. So role of the skill development comes very, very important, because we do not have the skilled worker. It may be engineer, it may be a diploma holder, it may be certificate holder, it may be scientist, and maybe researchers. So here comes the role of councils which are monitoring and which has to monitor this skill development program of the country, and different universities and different institutes of repute has to come forward and play a very important role to achieve this target. Because for achieving this target, we can manufacture the things, we can import the things, but the people who have sustained this thing in the country, for this we require a skilled worker. And here, I'm very sure that the people of this country, universities of this country, institutes of this country are well sufficient and well efficient to develop the skilled power for the coming fulfillment of the target of the country. Our students, our teachers, they are very smart and very intelligent, and with this proper goal, with this proper leadership, and with these proper recommendations, I'm very sure that all the students which will be produced from the universities having technical skills in the form of certificates, diploma, and I probably maybe lakhs and lakhs people are required at the village level, at the city level, at the financing level, and at the planning level. So skill development for this achieving target is very important. And apart from this, for the skill development and for achieving this target, we also discuss in the course of time the financial assessment and financial help for this achieving targets. Then there are also a very important role of the renewable regulatory issues, which already have been discussed and are being sent to the Government of India for recommendations. Many more other things developed, like the solar rooftop, very easy, and target is that by achieving 40 gigawatt by 2022. So it's very simple. So we require skilled people for the produce these solar rooftop, to manufacture, produce, and to further sustain them. So similarly, wind energy, bioenergy, and then very important, as we discussed, the energy storage is very important, and microgrid is very important. So our role will be, as university's role, institution role will be to develop a very smart population which is skilled in this aspect, and this should be a completely and always realignment of this population so we can fulfill this target of the achievement of the Honorable Prime Minister of India. Thank you very much.